Good morning to everyone. In the yesterday class, we learnt about the inner metallic complexes. In that, the central metal atom should carry the same oxidation number that should be bonded with the same number of ligands. Here, this ligand is called as a glycine atom. Here, there is 3 that should be bonded with the cobalt. This cobalt has a 3 oxidation number. Here oxidation number and the number of ligand should be same. Okay, that should be called as a inner metallic complexes. Next is polynuclear or bridged complexes. In that there are 2 or more metal atoms that should be present in the coordination sphere. In that there are 2 possibilities. One is complex with metal bond. Here the complexes should be bonded with metal and another should be complex with bridging ligands. It means the complexes should be balanced by ligands. These 2 are possibilities. And next is isomerism. We know that isomerism is the same molecular formula but different structural formula. In that structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. In this stereoisomerism we have 2 types, that is geometrical isomerism, optical isomerism. In that geometrical isomerism they have a cis isomer and a trans isomer. It means the same ligands that should be present in the same side, that should be called as a cis isomer, or the same ligands that should be present in the opposite side, that is called as a trans isomer. And second one is the optical isomerism, that is we explain on the basis of mirror images. Next we move on to the first one is geometrical isomerism. In that the geometrical isomerism we explain on the coordination compounds. That coordination compounds the metal as the coordination number 4. When the metal with coordination number 4, the shape is tetrahedral and square planar. In tetrahedral that does not explain the geometrical isomerism because the orientation is not possible. And geometrical isomerism in square planar there are 5 types. MA4, M is the metal, A is the ligand. Here MA3B, MA2B2, MA2BC, MABCD. Here M is the metal, ABCD is the ligand. Okay, in that also MA4 and MA3B, and the first one and second one does not exist a geometrical isomerism because there are 2 rules are there. First rule is at least only 2 ligands should be the same. Here there are 4 ligands are there, all 4 ligands are same. Okay, here also in that there are 3 ligands are same, so that's why it does not exhibit geometrical isomerism because it contains at least 2 different ligands. Okay, in that next type is MA2B2. In MA2B2, A and B are the monodentate ligand. Here the example, here it exhibit 2 isomeric form. We writing AA, BB, 1, 2, 3, 4 give a number. And what are the possibilities are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the one possibility. Second one is 1, 3, 2, 4. Second possibilities. Third possibilities is 1, 4, 2, 3. This is the second possibilities, but for second one and third one are same, so that's why we will consider it as a 1 isomeric form. So it has a 2 isomeric form. Here cis isomer and a trans isomer. The ligand should be in the opposite side, that is trans. The ligand should be in the same side, that is cis. Next, second type is MA2BC. Here ABCD, I am telling is ABCD is always a monodentate ligand. It means it has only a single donor atom. Okay. Next, the example for this reaction is platinum NH3 twice ClBr. Okay, this is the example for type Ma2BC. Okay, here we are writing A. It means it has a 2 A ligands and 1 B and 1 C, and giving the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next, how many isomeric forms are possible? First one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. First one is 1, 2, 3, 4. It means A, B, C. Okay. This is the one possibility. Next, second one is 1, 3, 2, 4. Okay. 1, 3, 2, 4. That is A, B, A, C. Okay. Next, third possibility is 1, 4, 2, 3. Then 1, 4, 2, 3. That is A, C, A, B. Here second one and the third one are same. Okay, so that's why we will consider it as only one isomeric form. So it exhibit the two isomeric form. Okay. Next, we will write the cis and the trans isomer. Here platinum Cl NH3 Br NH3. It is the trans isomer because the ammonia ligand should be in the opposite side. Okay. Next, platinum NH3 Br Cl. Okay, this is the cis isomer because ammonia ligand is at the same side. Okay, this is the one of the type of geometrical isomerism with coordination number 4. Okay, in that Ma2BC example is platinum NH3 twice ClBr. Here 3 different ligands. These ligands are monodentate because it is a single donor atom, and there are 3 possibilities are there. In that second and third one is same, so that's why we will consider it as a only one isomeric form. So it exhibits a 2 isomeric form. This is the trans isomer and a cis isomer. Here ammonia is in opposite side, so it is trans. Here ammonia is in same side, so it is a cis isomer. Next is the last type of geometrical isomerism with coordination number 4, that is MABCD. Here M is the metal, ABCD is the ligand. Here there are 4 different ligands. Okay, it exhibit 3 geometrical isomers. First we have to know about that. Here the ligands are A, B, C, D. We have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, first one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, First one is 1, 2 and 3, 4, that is A, B, C, D. Okay. Next, second one is 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. It gives A, C, B, D. Okay. Then third one is 1, 4, 2, 3. In that 1, 4, 2, 3. In that A, D and B, C. So here 3 possible isomers are different. So it exhibit 3 isomeric forms. Okay. Isomeric forms. In that, here you have to observe this. There are 4 different ligands are there. In that, for this reason, we can't define which is cis isomer, which is trans isomer. Got it? Because for determination for cis and trans isomer, minimum one ligand should contains 2 numbers. Got it? It means the central metal atom that should be bonded with a minimum 2 same ligands. So that's why here there are 4 different ligands. So that's why here we cannot define which is cis and trans isomer. But 3 isomeric forms we can written like this: Br, Cl, I, NH3. This is one. The next second one is platinum, Cl, NH3, I, Br. This is another one. Last one is platinum, Cl, NH3, Br, I. This is the third one. This is all about the types on third one, Ma, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is, it has a 4 different ligands. So that's why in that we cannot define which is cis isomer or trans isomer. Here there are 3 isomeric forms. These are all about the types of geometrical isomerism with coordination number 4. Okay, we learnt about the geometrical isomerism in coordination number 4. There are how many types are there? There are 5 types. In that 2 types are does not show the geometrical isomerism because they have a same type of ligand. Then we move on to the another type is geometrical isomerism in coordination number 6. There coordination number 4, here coordination number 6. The hybridization is sp3d2, or it also call it as a d2sp3 hybridization, or both are same, sp3d2 hybridization or d2sp3 hybridization, both are same here. In that the exhibit the shape is octahedral. In coordination number 4 there are 2 shapes are there. One is tetrahedral and another one is square planar. There the tetrahedral shape does not exist a geometrical isomerism because there is no orientation is occurs. Here the octahedral shape. For D2sp3 or sp3d2 hybridization, the shape of the complex is octahedral shape. Okay. Here there are 11 types are there. Okay. There are 11 types. In this, M is the metal and A, B, C, D, E, F is the ligands. That is, they are always a unidentate or monodentate ligand. Here Ma6, Ma5b, Ma4B2, Ma4BC, Ma3B3, Ma3B2C, Ma3BCD, Ma2B2, C2, Ma2B2CD, Ma2BCDE, MABCDEF. Here I am writing numerals 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 up to 15. Okay, these are the isomeric forms exhibit. It means Ma6, it does not exhibit any isomeric form. This is 0 because it is a monodentate ligand and it has only a same type of ligand. So that's why there is no cis isomer or trans isomer. It means there is no other isomers are formed. So that's why it has a 0 isomeric form. And here also Ma5B. Here also this type also shows the 0 isomeric form because it does not also exhibit any isomers because A5 here 5 ligands are same. Yesterday I told you that is for condition is there at least minimum 2 different ligands should be present. Okay, it means one ligand which contains 2 types. Okay, then okay, next third type is Ma4B2. It exhibit 2 isomers and fourth one also exhibit 2 isomers, fifth one exhibit 2, sixth one is 3, seventh one is 4, eighth one is 5, ninth one is 6, 10th one is 9, 11th one is 15. Okay, in this they gave only up to 7th one. Okay, because after 7th one there 5, 6, 9, 15 isomers are there. So that's why they didn't given. They gave only 3rd to 7th, only 5 types. We learnt about one by one. Okay, first one is Ma4B2. First one is Ma4B2. The possible isomers are these 3 are possible isomers. Get it? These 3 are possible isomers. Here this is the example for this type. In that second one and third one B1 and C1 are same. B1 and C1 are same. So that's why we will consider it as only one isomers. I already explained in the last class also. You have to know about that, and I already explained for geometrical isomerism with coordination number 4 how to write the isomeric form. You have to know about that. And in that, if in case in the examination they will ask only about write the isomeric form. Write the isomeric form this type or another type. In that they didn't ask how to isomeric forms are formed. Okay, you have to know about the structure and the example and how many types of isomeric forms are formed. Got it? Here this will be I will given for your I am giving you for your reference. Okay, you have to know the example and how many isomeric forms are formed and which is trans isomer and which is cis isomer. Okay, in that B and C there are 2 isomers. These 2 isomers are same, so that's why we will consider it as only one. Okay, in that type how many isomers are formed? Only 2 isomers. 2 isomers are formed. One is trans, another one is cis. Here M is platinum, A means ligand, B means Cl. Okay, here this is the trans isomer and this is the cis isomer. How to recognize the which is trans isomer and which is cis isomer? In the last class I told that the ligand should be in the same side, that is call it as a cis isomer. The ligand should be in the opposite side, that ligand is called it as a trans isomer. Here you have to see this A and B, A and B. This is the A is one ligand, B is another ligand. So that's why the same ligand should not present in the same side. Okay, so that's why B here, B is here, another B is here. So then the B ligand should be in opposite side. Here you have to observe that there are 4 ammonia ligands are there. So that's why you have to consider 2 ligands. Okay, in that, see here there is an opposite side. Here also B ligand is in opposite side. Okay, next we move on to the cis isomer. Here B ligand should be in the same side. Okay, we are getting a confusion in that because A is this side also, so that's why it is also considered as a cis isomer. But in the, you have to consider the B ligand. Here B is 2, so that's why in that B ligands, they when they present, where they present, if in case the B ligand should be present in the opposite side, you have to consider that is trans. B ligand that is present in the same side, that is considered as a cis isomer. I think you get it. Okay, if in case there are 4 ligands should be present, same ligands, and another ligand is 2, you have to consider like this, that the other 2 ligands should be present in opposite side, that is trans isomer. The other ligand should be present in the same side, that is called it as a cis isomer. These are all about the first type, MA4B2. There are 2 isomers are present. Okay, next is second one, that is MA4BC. The possible isomers are 5. There are 5 possible isomers are formed. In that 4 isomers are same. Okay, so that's why in that we have to consider only 1, and we don't have to consider another 3. So in this type also they exhibit only 2 isomers. The possible isomers are 5, but in that the 4 isomers are in same, so we have to consider only 1, that should be 2 isomers. There are 2 isomeric forms are formed here, that is trans and cis isomer. This is the example for this isomer: cobalt, ammonia, chlorine and bromine. Here cobalt is the central metal atom, ammonia ligand, chlorine ligand, bromine is also a ligand. These ligands are monodentate ligand. Okay, in that you have to consider as trans and cis isomer. Here you have to consider B and C. The B and C should be in the same phase, that should be called it as a cis isomer. The B and C should be in the opposite side, that should be considered as a trans isomer. Here you have to see this. If in case if you are getting any confusion about the defining the cis and trans isomer for different ligands, you have to consider like this. B and C is here, opposite side, that isomer is called it as a trans isomer. Here B and C is in same side, that isomer is called it as a cis isomer. I think all of you get this point. Trans means you have to consider, here there are 4 same ligands are there, so that's why we are getting confusion about that. And in that we have to consider other 2 ligands. The other 2 ligands should be present in opposite side, that is trans isomer. The other 2 ligands should be present in the same side, that is called it as a cis isomer. This about the second type. The possible isomers are, number of isomers is present is 2. I already told that you have to know about how many isomers are formed and example for that, and you have to write the structure for cis and trans isomer. This will be the main thing. This will I am giving for your reference. Next, third method is MA3B3. Okay, the possible isomers are these three isomers. The possible isomers are these three isomers are there. Okay, in that you have to know about that. This is the example for this isomer, that is cobalt. Ammonia is the one of the ligand and chlorine is the one of the ligand also. Here you have to know that these two are same. These two are same, so that's why we will consider only one isomeric form. So it has two isomeric form. Got it? Here this isomer also shows a only two isomeric form. This will be the one of the isomer, that is called it as a facial isomer. This will be the meridional isomer. Here we have to see here ammonia and the chlorine are two ligands are present. These ligands have three ligands. In that it is very difficult to define which isomer is a trans isomer, which isomer is a cis isomer. In that we have to, here it is not defined which is cis isomer and which is trans isomer. Here they are not defined which is cis and which is trans isomer. Here there is two other different isomers are there. One is facial isomer, another one is meridional isomer. Okay, in facial isomer the three ligands should be in the same side. Here the chlorine ligand should be in the same side and ammonia also should be in the same side. Here there are three ligands, not 4 or 5. Here three ligands should be in the same side. That is called it as a facial isomer. Here meridional isomer is there are only two ligands should be present in the same face or same side. Got it? Facial isomer means the three ligands should be present in the same side. Meridional isomer means the two ligands should be in the same side. Okay, you get the point. This is all about the type of Ma3B3. The three possible isomers are there. In that two are same, so that's why we will consider as only one. This is facial isomer, this is meridional isomer. Here it is very difficult. It is very difficult to consider the which is cis and which is trans isomer. Okay, so that's why they are considered facial and meridional isomer. Facial means three ligands should be present in the same side. Meridional means two ligands should be present in the same side. Next, fourth one is Ma3B2C. This is the example. Ma3B2C. Here the possible isomers are 5. In that the two isomers, these two isomers are in three isomers are same. In that we have to consider only one. So the possible isomers are, there are three isomeric forms. It exhibit three isomeric forms. Okay, here there is no structures. You have to know about that only the example and how many isomers are formed, because moving on to the types the structures will be goes on increases. So that's why it means there are isomeric forms goes on increases, the structures will be also increases. In that you have to know about that the how many isomeric forms are present and example for this. This is about the Ma3B2C. There are three isomeric forms. And next last one is the Ma3BCD. This is the example M, A3, B, C, D. Here there are 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ligands are there. Both are 6 ligands are all 6 ligands are monodentate ligands. In that, the possible isomers are these 5 isomers. In that, which one is repeated? It means these two are same, only these two are same, so that's why we will consider it as 1. So how many isomeric forms are there? There are 4 isomeric forms. It exhibit only 4 isomeric forms. Okay, these are all about the geometrical isomerism with coordination number 6. Okay, there are 11 types. In that you have to learn about only 5 types, and also in that there are 2 types does not exhibit any geometrical isomerism because same type of ligands are present. Okay, thank you one and all.